Hello and welcome to the We Can Study English GCSE English and English Language Revision Guides. Today what we're going to be looking at is the English and English Language Unit 1, Section A, Exam Responses. This is the part of the exam which is understanding and producing non-fiction texts. The responses we're going to look at are to the questions in the June 2011 paper. One response is a C and the other is an A, and we'll be going through them and working out why it's a C and why it's an A, and giving you some tips on how to improve any C grades that you may be getting. The first question focuses on your ability to analyse arguments or issues and facts surrounding an article. In this article, it was from the Telegraph Online and it focused on wind farms in areas of natural beauty. The C candidate immediately gets into identifying facts about the article and puts in evidence 17 wind farms, beautiful places like Cornwall, and what the turbines are like. They haven't really addressed what the issues are, and their explanations therefore need to be much clearer and more relevant, and that would put them into band 3, whereas at the moment in their response they're still quite in band 2 and only making some attempts to answer the question. By the fourth paragraph, however, they're getting into the issues in relationship to the article, the idea that 16,000 birds could be killed, and linking that to the turbines themselves. The end of the response, however, begins to push it into clear and relevant, because the candidate actually makes connections with an opposite point of view. However, this is not fully explained and there is not enough detail. So what we have is a presentation of the issues. The concerns really aren't linked to the issues, and really the candidate focuses on just the facts, and so some quite well done, however, up to top of band 2, 4 marks, teetering on the band 3, but this candidate would have only just crept in to the C grade. Moving on to the A candidate, we can see that the A candidate uses quite high level vocabulary, which immediately shapes the response and begins to link issues and concerns right from the first paragraph. Evidence is detailed, but it is also very much embedded within the response. In these two paragraphs, there is clear evidence of understanding of the issues and concerns within the article. The issues raised by the different groups, such as the RSPB, are clearly identified, and facts are used to support this. There are perceptive and detailed links between the evidence, issues, and concerns. Towards the end of the actual response, the candidate begins to link even more closely the concerns and issues and presents the alternative point of view. This is something that the C grade candidate began to do but did not give enough information on, and so could not really get the credit. Whereas here, the actual alternative point of view is put in detail, and quotations back up and support the points being made by the candidate. Here then, perceptive comments are being made. It's quite clear then the difference between the C grade candidate and the A grade candidate in their response to this question. The A grade candidate has clearly identified issues and concerns, has understood them and analysed them using appropriate quotations or references to show that the candidate is clearly engaged with the text and able to explore its detail and make perceptive connections. This puts the response clearly in band 4 and at the top of the mark band as well, 8 out of 8.